How to stop syncing your profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you on how you can stop syncing your profile picture from your Instagram to Facebook. So if you're wondering how you can do it, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to stop syncing your profile picture while you have uploaded on Instagram and not to Facebook. So let's just get ahead and look out on how we can do that. So first thing first, open up your Instagram on your mobile device and you can go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen again. And then here you can go ahead and tap on account center, just go ahead and tap on it. So under your profile name, you can find this connected experiences under which you can find the section of sharing across profiles. So when you tap on it, if you have added any kind of account like Facebook or Instagram, like Facebook, you should be able to find a Facebook account right here. So what you're going to do is simply disable that option, or you can remove that Facebook and by tapping on the option to disconnect or unlink your Facebook account from the Instagram, and that will stop Instagram from automatically syncing your profile picture to Facebook, and that is it. So therefore, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to stop Instagram from automatically syncing your profile picture to Facebook. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.